Well, hey everybody, 650 Eve here. Welcome home to the channel. It's May, it's springtime, so we are back at Bob's Motorcycles in Jessup, Maryland for their open house and another 650 Eve meetup. And in today's video, we're going to see some amazing bikes, talk to some great people, and have a lot of motorcycling fun. I brought my M1000 RR to this amazing event, but look at what we see right here, a BMW HP4, and it is currently for sale here at Bob's Motorcycles. So if you're watching this video and you're interested in this machine, you better act fast because usually HP4 machines don't stay for sale for very long. All right, so they got my bike set up over here amongst these other M1000 RR machines. There's an XR machine over there and Busas all over the place. My good buddy has dressed up his Busa really nicely. He even installed the Chigee AIO-6 LTE 4G smart display system. You can see he has the front and rear cameras, which by the way, folks, are 1080p high definition set up on this beautiful Busa. And when we sit on this bike and look down at the cockpit, that looks awesome right there, man. You can see the rear camera right there showing all those friendly folks behind us. But yeah, so if you were thinking, guys, that the Chigee was only for power cruisers, sport touring bikes, and adventure bikes and things like that, this is evidence you can mount it on a big bad Busa, just like our good buddy did here for his bike, and enjoy the benefits of front and rear cameras, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and everything else that you get with the AIO-6 LTE smart system. As you can see, we had a couple Harleys here at the show today. Woo! That Harley sounds amazing. Sounds good. We got a bunch of Ducatis here today, an 1199 R. Wow. Just tons of beautiful bikes here today. No shortage of bikes at all. No shortage of people. It's really a good turnout today. First one of the year. You can see there's scores and scores and scores of people out here. We got the M1000 under the tent gang. Couple of double R's, XR. We got the beautiful green XR that the folks here at Bob's have for sale right now. It's a beautiful machine. It's only my second time seeing this bike in person, and I like the paint. It almost looks like a wrap, but this is a paint scheme, guys. I wonder how you guys feel about this green XR right next to a green ZX-10R. And everybody else is out here too, having a good time, getting bikes serviced and worked on, and just people enjoying, oh, look at this, enjoying the opening of the 2026 motorcycle riding season. Look how this bike is set up. Set up, ready for street racing war, this bike is. Look at that. Busa fender, everything else. This bike is ready to put the smackdown on people. So Bob's has got Kobe from the California Superbike School in today, giving a seminar on the benefits of attending the Superbike school and just how awesome it is. And you can see folks are checking it out.
We have almost 200 potential riding assignments we can do.
So hopefully we get more people to attend the California Superbike School.
I've had people redo level 4.
How are you?
I think the record's 300. Okay. Where's Major Hobby? Okay, that's a rough overview of the school. That makes sense so far and all of that?
So the lady Ikra purchased her beautiful 2026 Ducati Panigale V4R from our friends here at Bob's Motorcycles. She already has the open clutch, so you can hear that dry clutch chatter, but she's got a long way to go to get her bike set up to the level of these two machines right next to hers. This one has the Akrapovic full titanium streetable exhaust. The one next to it has the Akrapovic race exhaust. You can see how close those canisters are. It cannot even accept a license plate. whereas this one certainly does. And of course, the ladies' bike, since you just got here about 2 days ago, still relatively bone stock. And if you're wondering, all three examples of the Panigale V4R are lowered to different levels. Lowered, lowered, lowered. And Lady Ikra has a kicking stand from our friends at Elif. So now she is out of here, ponytail and all, to ride on the beautiful streets of the DMV. She's out of here, guys. And you can see the predecessor to her Panigale V4R is the 1199R, beautiful machine. And we got a group of other guys that are about to leave here, but it was a great turnout here at Bob's Motorcycles. Kobe was inside from the California Superbike School. And now we got this beautiful M1000 Singular with the Moto Million full exhaust on it. And even though he used Jared Campisi's discount code and not mine, I forgive you for that. The Bob's Open House 650E meetup is over, and we have a small group of guys that have stuck around to do some riding on this beautiful day. So it's nice being at the dealership all day and talking to folks, meeting people. And so I kind of look at this this ride as a little bonus. Being able to come out on the bikes and cruise about with these guys. Super nice. But it is a little chilly out here, so we are going to let the tires warm up as best they can before we get frisky. Alright, I'm going to take that as pure luck. Pure luck for me beating the super jockey on our first race. Because that's not supposed to happen. But I'll take what I can get.